Once upon a time, in a quaint little village surrounded by rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a cheerful dog named Sparky. Sparky was no ordinary dog. He had a nose for adventure and a heart as big as the sky. He loved nothing more than to explore the village and the countryside beyond, greeting everyone with a wag of his tail and a joyful bark. Sparky belonged to an elderly man named Mr. Jenkins, who had a twinkle in his eye and a kind word for everyone he met. Mr. Jenkins and Sparky were inseparable. They would often set off on long walks, Sparky leading the way with his nose to the ground, sniffing out new and exciting scents. One crisp autumn morning, Sparky woke up feeling particularly adventurous. He nudged Mr. Jenkins awake, encouraging him to hurry up with his breakfast so they could embark on their daily stroll. As soon as Mr. Jenkins was ready, off they went, with Sparky bouncing along happily beside him. Today, Sparky decided they should venture beyond the usual path by the river, into the forest that loomed just beyond the village. The forest was a mystical place, filled with towering trees that whispered secrets in the breeze. Sparky sniffed eagerly at every bush and patch of earth, discovering tiny critters and the scent of wildflowers. As they journeyed deeper into the forest, Sparky and Mr. Jenkins emerged into a clearing illuminated by the soft, golden sunlight. In the center stood an ancient oak tree, its branches reaching out like welcoming arms. Sparky stopped and stared, transfixed by something glimmering beneath the tree's roots. Upon closer inspection, Sparky uncovered an old brass key, which shimmered with promise. Mr. Jenkins chuckled and suggested they see what the key might unlock. Sparky barked in agreement, his tail wagging furiously. The duo wandered further into the forest, and soon they came upon a forgotten garden, surrounded by a crumbling stone wall. Sparky raced up to the gate and, with a gentle nudge from Mr. Jenkins, inserted the key into the lock. There was a soft click, and the gate swung open, revealing a hidden paradise, filled with flowers of every color and butterflies dancing in the gentle breeze. Sparky realized he had made an extraordinary discovery, and Mr. Jenkins was delighted to share this secret garden with his playful companion. From that day on, Sparky and Mr. Jenkins made the hidden garden their special retreat, a place for adventure and tranquility, where every visit promised new wonders and joy.